Hi, so we're going to have a look now at the average score for these films. So we've got the total for these votes, so now we look at the average. So in this cell here, and the function, we're going to write equals, capital SUM again. This time we're going to open the parentheses, open the brackets, and we want this score, the total, which is going to be B43, so capital B, 43. We're going to do backslash, which is a divide, and there are 40 people that have voted. Okay, there are 40 people. So we're going to write divided by 40, close brackets, close parentheses, and press enter. And that will give us the average score for the Phantom Menace. So I could copy that, go to my next cell, paste it in there, and it will do the same thing again. It will work out the average of that film, and I can just continue pasting that same formula into all of the cells, and it will give me the averages across the board for the different films. Now, obviously, this data is made up. This is not, any actual scores, because as you can see, The Last Jedi scored rather highly there. So if we wanted to find out what each individual person, how they thought about all the films, their total and their average, we can do the same again. So we can create a total up here. I'm just going to make that in bold. And then in this cell here, we're going to write the function equals sum. And we're going to be starting with B. Oops, I should have opened the parentheses. B2. Now to select this person, so this first person, so we want to go all the way across here. So we're going to go B2 all the way across to L2. So B2 colon L2, close parentheses, hit enter, and that will give us that person's total. Again, we can just copy and paste that down there, and that will give us the totals for these people. Now, if we wanted to work out the average score for these individuals, we need to take the total value and divide it by the number of films. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 there. So in this function, we're going to do equals sum, open parentheses. Now we're looking for N2, this value here, N2, backslash for divide, and it was 11, close parentheses, hit enter, and you'll be able to get the average score. So it kind of tells you, I suppose you can interpret from that what that person thinks about the Star Wars franchise in general, whether they think it's good. So for example, this person here, or these two people here actually, Zachary and Tony, I would say that they don't like the Star Wars films anywhere near as much as this person here. So that's how we work out the average from a set of values.